Hi students, I am Priyanka Jain and I am a verified educator at the Unacademy Plus platform. You can watch several of my Plus classes. Okay, I have soon started a Catalyst batch course for the whole inorganic chemistry. You will see whole the inorganic chemistry in this course, and this is for the upcoming June 2022 exam of the CSIR net as well as for the GATE exam. Okay, so if you want to see different of the my lectures, different courses, you can see on the Unacademy. Take the subscription of the Unacademy. And if you want to see the free classes, there are also several free classes. Every month I take several free classes. You can watch these free classes without taking subscription. So for this, you will have to uncode my code. My code is Priyanka Jain 10. By clicking on this code, you will get the link for my classes. Thank you. Hi students, welcome in chemistry classes. I am Priyanka Jain and you are watching here the questions from the CSIR net exam. Here I have taken the questions from the CSIR net February 2022 question paper. Okay. So you can see here what is the question. Question is basically from the electrochemistry. Okay. What is the question? For the cell, we have given a cell CdCdCl2 AgCl Ag. Okay. This is the cell. Now for this cell, we have given E naught of the cell is equal to 0.625 volts. Okay. And then we have given dE naught upon dt is equal to minus 6.5 into 10 to power minus 4 volts per Kelvin at 27 degrees centigrade. Okay, now what thing we have to find out? We have to find out delta H in kilojoules per mole. Okay, we have to find out this thing in kilojoules per mole, and we have given that the value should be for the reaction CD plus 2AgCl is equals to 2Ag plus CdCl2. Okay, this is the reaction for which we have to find out delta H value, right? Now see here, what things we have given. Firstly, find out the things that you have given. Okay, so you have given here E naught of the cell. E naught of the cell is equal to 0.625 volt. Okay, then you have given dE naught upon dt. This value is equal to minus 6.5 into 10 to power minus 4 volts per Kelvin. Okay, then you have given temperature, that is 27 degrees centigrade, or you can write it, it will be 300 Kelvin. Okay, now what thing you have to find out? You have to find out delta H value in kilojoule per mole. You have to find out this thing. Okay, next thing that you have given is this reaction. From this reaction you can see the number of electrons involved. It means the value of n will be equal to 2. You can see here this is 2. Okay, so 2 electrons are involved in this reaction. Okay, so now what thing? We have to find out delta H. Okay, so how to do this question? Pretty easy question. See here, the formula, as you know, del G naught is equal to del H naught minus T del S naught. This is the formula. So from this you can find out the value of del H naught. Okay, so firstly see here, what is del G naught? For this you can use the formula minus NFE naught. Okay, you have given the value of n. Value of n is 2. 2 electrons are involved. Faraday constant you know, 96500, and then E naught of the cell is given to you, that is 0.625 volt. Okay, so when you are calculating this thing, you are finding out its value will be around minus 130.275 kilojoule per mole. Okay, this will be your value of delta G naught. Okay, now you have to find out one more thing, that is delta S naught. If you know this thing, then you can easily calculate the value of delta H0. Okay, so you have to find out the value of delta S naught. So see here, the temperature dependent equation for the delta S is given by this NF d E naught upon dt. Okay, this is the equation. In this equation you can put the values. So n value is 2, then 96500 into, you have given this value. Okay, this is minus 6.5 into 10 to power minus 4 volts per Kelvin. Okay, when you are solving the question, you should write down the units. Okay, so always put here the units. So this value comes joule per Kelvin per mole. Okay, now you have to find out the value of delta H naught. So delta H naught will be equal to delta G naught plus T delta S naught. Okay, so put here the values minus 130.275. This value is in kilojoules per mole. Okay, so you will have to put this value also in kilojoule per mole. Okay, so firstly write down here the temperature, that is 300, and then put here the value of this delta S naught, that is minus 125.45. This is in joules per Kelvin per mole. Okay, so now you have to multiply it with 10 to power minus 3. So it will become kilojoule per Kelvin per mole. Okay, so now you can put here the value minus 130.275, and this value when you are calculating this will come around minus 37.6635. Okay, if you are calculating this will come around minus 167.935 kilojoule per mole. Okay, so you can match it in your options. 167.93 minus 167.935. Okay, so this value is around this one, minus 168. It means our option number 1 is the right answer. Okay, so in this way you have to do the questions. Meet you in the next video with some more questions of the CSIR net. Thank you.